and welcome to the last day. Day 5, I guess. I've adjusted that clutch lever the wrong way. In no bite now. Thank God for that. I thought he's gonna get mental at me if I pulled him off. Not like that. We've come off the motorway last minute. Where are we? What's this service called, you know? Lockerbie. Lockerbie? The one after Moffat. Oh yeah, Lockerbie. I'm not tucking your cuffs in. You can put your gloves over the top of them. Yep. Huh?
I'll tell you what, it's been a real I'm alright Jack attitude for you all weekend. You know. I mean, this morning I was gassed that you actually made me a cup of coffee, I have to say. You know what's handy after?
80 quid?
Huh?
80 quid?
Yeah, some cash, but see.
Right, Lancaster services. Lancaster.
Yeah, we'll fill up here, then down to Lancaster.
Oh, you're fucking joking, aren't you? Huh?
Because we filled up at Lancaster, it was about 119, wasn't it, from there?
No shit, yeah.
We just got knocked. So I'm thinking if we fill up here, get down to Lancaster, then we should be able to do Lancaster home.
Yeah, okay.
That was the thinking anyway.
Yeah, okay. Yep. Right then, let's go. Next stop, Lancaster services. For more fuel. Lancaster, wet. Why does it always rain on the last bit of a trip? Why can't we just get home dry? Same last year in France, this year coming back from Scotland. This is going to be grim. Hello guys, so we're back. I almost forgot to sign off this whole tour then. I've had to come downstairs and get dressed to sign it off. Anyway, we're back. We made it 330 odd miles something from Loch Lomond today. Straight down M6, pretty much M74, M6, etc. All the way home. Real mixed bag of weather. Great to get back. Bike is now fully cleaned, washed. Was a right state when we got back, but we've had a great trip, some fantastic roads. If nothing else, maybe this has just set the scene for sort of more tours into Scotland, because just the west coast of what we've seen has just been immense. Really got some better ideas for where to stay, I think, for future trips. Recommendations, all that sort of stuff I'll do maybe in some other videos. Also what we took, or what I took, some things I'd do again differently, what worked well, what didn't work well, all that sort of stuff. If you're interested, that is. I mean, leave a comment, see if that's the sort of thing you'd like to see. Hopefully it won't be too long before the next set of videos or the next trip away. because we love making the videos, love going away, spending time on the bikes. So until the next one, thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.